Cute. It'd be a great kind of medium bag, small bag, I guess. Great. I love the way it looks. I just don't like that it's not as functional as it implied looking at it online. Those little screws look like they went to something and they don't. It's just inside only. Two pockets inside. That's it. That's absolutely it. So I don't even know what to say to that. Kind of surprised. Kind of surprised. Oh, if I send this back, then I have to take the, I need to go ahead and take off these little chains, because those actually were inside the purse. So we'll put them back while I think about it. And I'll look at your comments too. I know some of you are going like, Beth, what do we have to do with it? I do like your comments. A couple of you said, I don't know that I'd keep the other one, the Damier Bean Speedy 30 Bandolier, because you just didn't sound like it's grown on me, because it is very functional. Y'all know Speedies are functional, right? And they just are. I'm going to put that back down in there, just in case. I like it. I really am liking it the more I fool with it, to be honest with y'all. It's whether or not I think it's worth the investment. So, because again, this is an investment piece. And I'd pay it off quick. It's not too exorbitant. It's just, I don't know. I'm going to sit it back down in here the way that I got it, that it came. I am actually going to put this back inside. Actually, I need to see what is their return policy. And I'll let y'all know in case you ever get a Louis Vuitton. Exchanges and returns complete within 30 days in perfect and sellable condition. Original packaging, original invoice, leaflets, and certificates. No exchanges or returns for personal items or personalized items. Yeah. 30 days. And exactly as you found it. So we're not going to wear it at all. Not even a little bit. We're going to have it exactly as I found it. And I'm not going to even... I'm sure they retie this, but I'm going to put that back on there while I think about it. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so that was my unboxing. Again, this is the second time I've got a Louis Vuitton where I know I did not sound as excited as other people who do like the big, drum rolls and everything, and they're like, oh, da 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 da. I like it that much. I really do like it that much. I don't know if it's worth keeping in the fact that there's pieces on it that I thought were functional, that are only for looks. So you just got, at this point, you got to decide, is it worth it? Do you like the size? I do actually like the size. Do you like the way it lays? I do. Is it a specialty piece? Absolutely. Absolutely a specialty piece. Or, do you want something more functional? Well, I've got this Speedy Bandolier for something more functional. So that's why I'm like, I don't know. Just don't know right now. We'll have to think about it and get back with you. So thanks for doing the unboxing with me. I love you guys, and I think that's it. Did I run over? Oh my gosh, I ran a bunch over. So I may cut this one off. I don't know. Is there anything else I could show you while I'm here? I will tell you that I am, I will tell you this. I did get a couple of items that I'm definitely thinking about. Well, first of all, some gifting. And that is the It Cosmetics Make a Night of It brush set, which has got a wonderful clutch in the back. And really good brush set. It's got a shader, a short shader, smudger, a blender, a blush, and a foundation brush. So this is all you need. It's really all you need. And then also this beautiful Bare Minerals, and it's called the Meteor Shower, and it also has a little clutch. It's got eyeshadow, blush, I think I don't know what that powder is, I'd have to look, mascara, and lip gloss, and that's very nice. So these may be Christmas gifts, or they may be New Year's giveaway, or a combination thereof. So I just wanted to mention that right here at the end, just to fill a little bit of extra time. But okay, y'all, so I really do want your ideas. Oh, also, I don't remember if I showed y'all these when we had our little admin outing the other day. One of the things we did was make jewelry after we had a luncheon and everything. And it was at a local shop. And this was a pair of earrings that I got. And these were not bad at all. I got my bestie some really nice hoops. But I got these, and they almost look like a butterfly wing that didn't have to give its life. It's just a pretty delicate piece, and I think these are going to be some of my favorite earrings ever. So I'm really enjoying them, and I got my little teeny Diamond-Eke studs. Aren't they pretty? They're so tiny in my second hole. And I did switch my necklace order. I don't know if y'all have even noticed. I used my little Courage necklace, which is the wave that I got with the little piece of wood. I forgot the name of the wood in the back of it. In sterling, it's a wave, and it's about courage. And then, of course, the diamond cross that I got my mom for Mother's Day one year. And, of course, when she went to heaven, my sister said that was fine for me to have this piece back. Because, I said, I don't want to ever argue over any stuff. Stuff is just stuff. But I did give Mom that piece, and it's a cross, and it is kind of sentimental to me, unless you want it for the diamond value. I said, but I don't think the diamond value is that great. And it's diamonds, but it was something that I got on sale at, I think, Zales, and I'm sure it wasn't super duper expensive. Matter of fact, I think it was even on sale. But it's what I could afford for my mommy when I was younger, and I thought I was doing something to get my mom a diamond necklace, and especially a cross. So, and she's like, I have no desire for it. You go ahead and take it. And I said, okay. So that's why I wear it, and she doesn't. She got some other stuff. So anyway, I guess that's it. So this is probably, I don't know. I'm going to have to think about the expense versus the possibility of this being a good investment piece or just a really cool collection piece. I kind of think it is a cool collection piece. I'm just really, okay, here's what it is. I'm bummed that those things are glued on and they're not functional. They should be functional. I don't know. This was also very available. The only other one I wanted that was like this is the Pochette Matisse in reverse monogram, and that is just next to impossible to get, and it's half the cost of this too. That's probably why people are willing to pay that, not this. And also, this is a small piece. It's the Pochette Matisse is an everyday usable functional bag. This could be, honestly, it's got about the same room if it just had those two outer pockets I was telling you about that could have been there anyway, because that outside piece that comes over and locks would have closed them off. So Louis not here anymore. Louis Vuitton, whoever's running things, I know that all of you watch my videos, and all I would like to say to you is this could be like top of the line perfect bag if you just made those little trunk closures real, and if you had where the zipper shut is, there is a piece where you've sewn the zipper to the front and to the back that you still could have sewn it but to a pocket and had two drop pockets on either side that would have made it perfect, because you could drop your phone in there and your keys in there, and all that space inside would have been for everything else. Oh my gosh, it would have been perfect. But no, you didn't listen to me, did you? Okay, I gotta go. I love you guys. My husband's trying to go do a special good deed for some guys, and he's making real French fries and barbecue, so I'm gonna help him deliver it. Bye, y'all. Love you. Bye.